What are three ways that you can start changing your financial situation by learning how to budget better? Hey, Jason here. If you've been watching the channel, you've been seeing me going across southern region of Africa, showing you how beautiful it is here. And most importantly, you've been seeing me talk about success, what it is, and how to get it in the three areas of life that I focus on, which are happiness, health, and wealth. And so, if you're new to the channel, the definition of success by Earl Nightingale is the progressive realization of a worthy idea. And being able to budget and have your finances in order is one of the most worthy ideas that you can ever dream of. I'm telling you from firsthand knowledge, it has helped me to where now I am traveling the world and I love life each and every day. So let's go ahead and get into it. And I'm actually, if you're looking, I'm filming this in a different way. I'm trying this on my action camera. So let me know how this quality is looking. Let me know how the audio is sounding. Because we're in the age of collaboration now, and you bringing me feedback, let me know how everything's looking. It let me know that if this is a good way to film or if I need to keep using different methods. And so let's go ahead and dig in. The first thing that you want to do is set clear goals. Now, this is very important. A lot of people don't talk about this in detail on how do you appropriately set a goal.